How to add music to the post that has already been posted on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to easily add music on Instagram post that's already been posted. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram application. And you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. So basically go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner once you're logged in. And then you need to find a post where you want to add music. So I'll just find a post where I don't have a music. So I'll just go over to this one down below, tap on the three dots at the top right. And if I go to edit, as you can see, I have an option to add music over here. If I just tap on add music, I can choose music from here, from trending, from my saved list. So I'll just go to For You and then select a random music. Tap on next, and then you can select the part of the music that you want to show on your post. Tap on the done or the check icon at the top right, and then tap on done again. And once that is done, your music should be added to your post. So if you just go ahead and refresh your profile, your music will be there. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.